Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered, what if it had oxygen? It sounds like a sci-fi dream, but let's dive into what would really happen. First, the moon's surface is covered in a layer of fine dust called regolith, which is about 45% oxygen by weight. If we could somehow release that oxygen, we'd have a breathable atmosphere, right? Well, not so fast. The moon's gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's, so any atmosphere we create would quickly drift off into space. But let's imagine it sticks around. The sky would turn from black to a hazy blue. With no water, it would still be a desert, but the temperature swings would be less extreme. The most dramatic change: rust. The iron-rich lunar soil would start to oxidize, slowly turning the gray moon into a giant, rusty red ball in our sky. Isn't that a wild thought? Thanks for watching and subscribe for more cosmic what ifs. Ever wondered what would happen if the moon suddenly got a lungful of oxygen? It might sound like a sci-fi dream come true, but the reality would be fiery and dramatic. First, let's talk about rust. The moon's surface is packed with iron-rich dust. Introduce oxygen, and you get a massive planet-wide rust reaction. The familiar gray moon would slowly turn a reddish-brown, like Mars's dusty cousin. But the real showstopper: the sun's intense, unfiltered ultraviolet radiation would split the oxygen molecules. These newly single oxygen atoms would then desperately try to recombine. Far from being a breathable atmosphere, it would turn the lunar surface into a scorching hot plate. So instead of a new home for humanity, we'd get a rusty, super hot rock. A fascinating thought, but let's just admire our beautiful gray moon from afar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic what if, hit that like button and subscribe for more.